Kusho kaFoli ukulawula umbuso kusentekenteke ngenxa yezinto ezenzeka izikhungweni zombuso. Lo fakazi wexwayisa ngokuthi zikhona izinkomba ezithi zingaphinda ivele futhi izigameko zokuqhogwa kwamandla ombuso ekhambeni kwesikhathi. Ukucekelwa phansi komnotho njengezibhelu zangoNtulikazi zingubufakazi bokuthi kusekhona ukuqhogwa kwamandla ombuso.
It also meant the capture of the State Security Agency, as well as then other complicit private sector actors, the guardians of governance, if you will.
Ukholakala ukuthi intoso nqangi yokuqhaqwa kwamandla ombuso ngokucekela phansi intando yabantu. Lokhu kubonakala kahle ngendlela esingaphathi ngayo izisebenzi zikahulumeni nezivele ithatha imali okumele kuhlinzekwe ngayo umphakathi ngezidingo isetshenziselwe ezinye izinto. Yize abanye bekholwa ukuthi izenzo zabo zayengaphambene nomthetho, iSIU ikholwa ukuthi laba ababandakanyeka enkohlakalweni kumele bajeze.
Maladministration is in the realm of the administration world, which more often points out to irregularities, in many instances irregularities that are deliberate, and deliberate to ensure that they undermine the sound administration of the state.
Okwamanje iSIU isiphenye izinkontileka ezingaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezine namakhulu amathathu ezahlomula ngesamba sika 4.8 billion rand. Lolu phiko oluphenya amacala akhethekile seluthathe amacala aphenywayo ayi142 lawedlulisela ophiko noluphenya amacala omphakathi iNPA. Umbiko ngophenyo uzobe usunikezwe umengameli ngaphambi kokuphela konyaka.